Buddy, Nia's finding a baby bird. And here with my friend Jonathan. What's up, Jonathan? Nene.
Leave it. Y'all just want to kill that. Get your bitch.
Ooh, that bitch is fast now. She's going up so fast.
Where is it?
I want to do this.
Yo, Jonathan, can I use your water?
This says here.
Can I? We need to wet that.
He's right there, people. He's right there. Right there.
No, get a bucket. Get a bucket. Let's take that bitch a shower. Climb the gate. Jonathan, can I climb the gate? Come.
Broadcast.
Right there, yo.
Broadcast.
Pajarito.
I see it. I'm baby.
He's got a bird. He has
It's right there. It's right there.
He has no home.
What do we do? What do we do when it grows up? It's a small bird.
Go let it.
Go when by the time it grows
Move,
up.
Jonathan. Move, Jonathan.
He's gonna be like, yo, save my life. Come on, Jonathan.
I was the first one to see it.
Yeah, okay.
Yes,
I said, a big